There are some commands that I will be talking about during the course of this trading video that I wanted to cover briefly. We will start with left click. This is simply clicking the left mouse button and immediately releasing it. This is mainly used to select something, or add, or remove checkboxes in the software. Right click. This is clicking the right mouse button. Right click is used in field notes to bring up context sensitive option menus. For example, if I right click on an item in the meter configuration bar, it might give you the option to delete that item. But if I right click on the E column or events column, you might see a different set of options altogether. Scroll bar. The right hand side of the meter configuration bar has a scroll bar that allows you to cycle your data up and down to view past history or view current data. Left click and drag. You can drag some items around in field notes to perform certain tasks. To do this, you need to hover over what you want dragged, left click and hold the mouse button, drag it to its destination, then let go of the mouse button. This works for columns, plot curves, highlighting data in the table, and scroll bars. Tabs. Tabs are like the tabs on an official file folder. They separate stacks of information that are bundled together in the same window. Left-clicking on these tabs will select the data they are attached to. Expand collapse boxes. For example, in the meter configuration bar, there are expand collapse boxes that allow you to expand the tree of sub-items that branch off from that specific grouping. Expanding wellhead will provide you with all the sub-items associated to the wellhead to fine-tune your selection. Checkboxes. Checkboxes are boxes that graphically show if something is selected. If you place a check mark in the selection box, the corresponding item will appear in the field measurement table. Columns. Columns are the vertical lines of data that populate the field measurement table. Column headers. Column headers are the very top of each column that contains the name of the column and the units of the specific column. Rows. Rows are horizontal lines of data that populate the field measurement table.